wind's blowing about 30 miles per hour. Hello, Facebook. I'm right here at Interstate 26. Winds gusting 20 to 30 miles per hour. Kingsport. We're in Kingsport, Tennessee. Exit 5. Right here on exit 5, Interstate 26. Right here at the rest area. Downtown Kingsport's about 3 miles that way. Johnson City is this way. About 15 miles that way. Now you know the rest of the story. No, not Paul Harvey. I figure people would love to watch this view right here on Interstate 26. Isn't it beautiful? It's God's country. That's what I'm talking about. It's God's country. He's in control. I'm in control, but he's got most of the control. I'm the biggest mouth of the South. Doing a little, figure I'd pop up with a little live blog right here on Facebook. It's been quite windy today. I just got through filming at the rest area. I did an interview with a guy named Thor from Pennsylvania. He's hitchhiking to New Orleans, Louisiana. It was an interesting interview. Probably lasted 15, 20 minutes. So I let him do most of the talking. Every now and then I pop up and ask a couple questions. So I finished recording at the rest area. I see Jamie and Jeremy Duncan is watching. Hello, Jamie and Jeremy Duncan. How's the weather in your neck of the woods? It's quite windy here on Interstate 26, exit 5, right here in lovely Kingsport, Tennessee. Let me raise the camera just a little bit. I've got it down to 10%. There we go. Go this way, exit 4 is about 3/4 of a mile, exit 4. Interstate 26, right here in Sullivan County. Lovely Kingsport, Tennessee. I'm drinking coffee. It's windy, so I bet you hear a lot of wind. Like 20, 30 mile per hour gust. Really windy. Up here comes a motorcycle. I was recording a motorcycle riding down the entrance ramp to Interstate 26. That's what I was doing. I recorded the motorcycle with my Canon X850. If the wind blows any faster, I'm gonna land in New Orleans. I just found this feather from this is from a dove. I found it right here on the bridge. Look how the wind's blowing. Watch this feather. The wind is whipping right here. That's the wind. 20, 30 miles per hour. I wouldn't want to be flying a plane right now, Jeremy Duncan. Not no small plane anyway. It's whipping. The wind's blowing. It's vibrating my phone.